Hello, friends. Today is Thursday. Yes, the 23rd of February, 2023. This is the first day I'm going to take a walk out on my new balcony. I'm very proud to have, if you can see it. Why isn't it showing? Ah, there it is. The Ukrainian flag. And it's very cold today, as a matter of fact, so I may go inside again. But today is kind of in the middle of a few important days because this is my lovely living room in my new apartment. I think I want to start having some guests over, maybe a home Bible club or something like that. But what I wanted to say is that, let me see, I need light here. Ah, there's some light. So, between some important days, like yesterday, Putin gave his State of the Terrorist Nation address, full of his typical propaganda. Day before, President Biden was over shaking hands with President Zelensky of Ukraine. Today, Thursday, is kind of an off day. Yesterday I had a class. Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have nothing scheduled over at Shelter. Tomorrow is the anniversary of the terrorist attack, the invaders from Russia. And we don't know if Putin is planning anything. His little missile test when President Biden was here, it didn't work. And so anything he's going to try is not going to work any more than the invasion of Kiev, because God is on the side of those that love peace and righteousness. So, and my friends at Shelter, they're putting on a big program tomorrow. We're not going to feed into the gloom and dismay that Russia would like to put upon us. It's not to say there isn't a lot of suffering, grievous suffering, but we trust that God is going to prevail on the side of Ukraine, and that this war will be over soon. Okay, blessings, folks. Well, I've decided to step out again. These are just all too frequent. Just lately, the air raid sirens, okay? So, just to give you a sample of that, it's just that you never know when you may see something up in the sky destroying one of their buildings, apartment buildings, or homes. Tragic situation.